Hey guys, welcome to Geeky Eyes. I am Prakash. Today I am gonna show you how to solve 2x2 Rubik's Cube stage 3. In last video we have seen how to solve top face of 2x2 Rubik's Cube. In this stage we will see how to solve stage 3, second layer. So after solving stage 2, sometimes we will get one side solved or sometimes no side will be solved in second layer. In case if one side is already solved after completing second stage, you need to keep the side back direction. Suppose if you hold yellow on top, bottom white, this completed side should be back direction like this, and you need to rotate the cube like this. So top will be back side and bottom will be front. We need to move top, bottom and right layers in this algorithm. Simply right anti-clockwise, top, right anti-clockwise, bottom twice, right clockwise, top anti-clockwise, right anti-clockwise, bottom twice and right twice and back once. So now the cube solved. So for your understanding, I'll perform same algorithm multiple times. Right anti-clockwise, top, again right anti-clockwise. Remember up to here. Right anti-clockwise, stop, right anti-clockwise. So one step completed. After that, bottom twice. So then you do right clockwise, top anti-clockwise, again right anti-clockwise. In previous step you performed right anti-clockwise, top, again right anti-clockwise. Here you need to perform right clockwise, top reverse, right anti-clockwise, again bottom twice. So after that you perform right twice and back once. So now we came back to the stage 2. For your understanding, I will show you stage 3 again. So if one face is solved, you keep this face back side and rotate cube like this. Bring bottom into front, top into back and perform this algorithm. Right anti-clockwise, top, right anti-clockwise, bottom twice, right clockwise, top anti-clockwise, right anti-clockwise, bottom twice and right twice and back once. So you solved. Hey guys, finally we have solved 2x2 Rubik's Cube. If you have any queries and doubts, please do comment. Thank you for watching.